Hi guys, welcome to Forex Raja, your official channel on YouTube. We will be doing the analysis for 2nd August. So जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, what you can see here is yesterday we had told that if 79.10 breaks, then we can see downturn. Now today morning the line touched 79 and again it went up. For today I have taken 1 day chart to show you the difference. This is the high that we made, and from there we've all come down. Now the chance from here, what will happen is that this blue box that you see here is from 79 to 78.88. This blue box is this range. Now in between this range, any time there can be a bounce, and the bounce can always take the trend in a reverse direction. So in this box, if tomorrow the value comes, do not trade. Just wait, and wait. If at 88 you're getting some bounce, you see a reversal, then buy. It should be on the buy side. Until then, you have to have patience to see how spot behaves within this box. Now if at all, if this breaks 78.88, then we can even fall till this level, which is 78.53. So my suggestion is that one should wait, not be in a hurry, and not get entangled or not get stuck in this box. So tomorrow the range for us to clearly watch out, our buying range will be 79 and above. Above 79 it should always be a buy. Below 78.88 it is always a sell on the downside, and in between these two, don't do anything. So let's see what happens on the trade tomorrow on USDINR. We also have a Telegram channel, Forex Raja. You can join that for regular updates, and please share and subscribe to this video so that you can regularly get updates on every video that we post. Thank you. Have a good day.